In this video, we are going to see how we can share a private video to the specific people you want. So private videos are different from unlisted videos. Unlisted videos only needs a video link and then anyone should be able to see it. While in private videos, only the link you share to a specific person should be able to see it. So if you want to share this private video, first of all, just head over to the YouTube studio. In the content section, just find your private video. And after that, you click on this drop down next to it. And at the bottom, underneath private, you click on share privately. And then you add the Google account email ID of a person that you want to share this video to. So copy and paste all of those email addresses here, but just make sure that they must have a Google account to view this private videos. And you can also notify them via email. And after that, you hit done and you hit save. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.